right, welcome back. This throwdown, I'm really excited to do this because here in Oregon, recently I've been starting to get bourbons that I have not been able to get for 5-6 years at least again. So beginning of October, I got this 25A Stagg. Beginning of November, this E.H. Taylor barrel proof. And also, same week, this Old Forester barrel proof single barrel. Anyways, I got them in these glasses. I'm not sure which one is in which glass, but you know, the Stagg is 126.5 proof. The H. Taylor comes in at 127.4, so pretty close. This Old Forester is a little higher, 131.1, but you know, it's still in that range. So I'm going to see what I think, which one I like the best. I think I paid $59 for the Stagg, $79 for the E.H. Taylor, and $85 for the Old Forester. Each one of them worth the price. I was on the fence about this Old Forester barrel proof because I heard mixed reviews about it. I went ahead and got it. It's really good. Like, it's extremely good. So here we go. I'm gonna start with A. Oh man, sweet brown sugar and fruit salad, man. That is, oh man, that's good. Oh man, that cherries and honey. Oh man, even more cherries. Like cherry liqueur and cinnamon. Goodness, these are all really good. I'm gonna start though. I'm gonna start on B. I think I like the nose the least on this. Me saying the least, these are all great. I really like all these. I will say this Stagg 25A, the last Stagg I was able to purchase was about maybe a year and a half ago, was a 22A. Better than this one, for sure. That Stagg 22A was a really good batch. But this is no slouch either. I actually put this up against some like E.H. Taylor small batch that I double oaked. They taste very similar. It's surprising. All right, enough talking. Let's get to sipping. Ooh, that is spicy. Delicious caramel apples, man. And cinnamon. Ooh, some char. I think barrel char. Man, that's really good. Super oily. I'm getting cherry on it too, though. Wow, that's good. I'm gonna go for C next. Whew, man. Ooh. Wow. It's like cinnamon red hots, man. Gosh, I wonder if that's the Stagg. That is like, oh, spicy. Super spicy, man. I will say this Old Forester, like I was getting like some type of fruit I couldn't put my finger on it, and I had Chanel try it, and she's like, "Oh, it's guava apricot." I'm like, "You're right," but it's just a very sweet, like blend of fruits is what I got on it. Man. Oh yeah. Oh man. I have a feeling that's the Old Forester. It just has so much like brown sugar syrup coated like guava apricot and just punchy cinnamon on the finish, and the right amount of like charred oak on the finish. I really think that's Old Forester. That's a standout bourbon. Okay, I'm gonna go between. I'm pretty sure one of these is the Stagg, one of these is the E.H. Taylor. We'll see. Okay. This one's good. This one's more cherry. This one's more appley. Cherry vanilla cinnamon. That's so tasty. Interesting. This drinks hotter than that. This is like that caramel apple. I have a feeling this is the H. Taylor. This is the Stagg. Not that I'm trying to figure out which one is, but just the flavors on them. Okay, I'm gonna go between these two now. Whatever that is, man. Yeah. Fruit salad, brown sugar, syrup. Like the cinnamon is dialed down a little bit. It's more blended with like a toasted oak for the spice. I've got my ranking. I had this to take notes. I didn't need to, or pause it. I will say, I feel like this might be at a little bit of a disadvantage because it hasn't had as much time to, oxidize. But B was my last place, just because it felt hotter than the rest. Like it drank hotter, I should say. Still incredible bourbon. Really, really good. Very delicious caramel, apple, cinnamon flavors. Really oily. What was that? Oh man, I was wrong. It's the Stagg. Okay, Stagg took last place. Wow. All right. There you go. Second place, I was getting more of a cherry than an apple on this one, which is really interesting because when I just sip on the Stagg without having anything else, I get cherry. I don't know if it's because in my mind I think I'm supposed to get that, but I did get a little more cherry and vanilla on C. All right. E.H. Taylor, which means the winner, man, was this Old Forester single barrel strength. This is, it just says Oregon on it. That's who selected it. I talked to the guy at the store. He said that they did try through a few different barrels, and this one they thought was definitely the best. So, Warehouse I, Floor 4, 131.1 proof. This thing is really good, and I typically don't water down any of my barrel proof bourbons when I sip on them, but he recommended doing that with this one, and I did. I put a little bit of water, and it actually, I think, got better. Like the fruit flavors became more pronounced. Like all the flavors felt like they opened up. But there you go. Third place, second place, first place. What's your experience with these? I've, before I put down the $85 on this thing, I was just doing a little research online, seeing like, is it worth it? And like I said, I got mixed reviews. Some of them were singing this thing's praises. Others were saying, it's good, but it's not that great. But This particular single barrel is really good. I'm definitely going to go back and get a few more of these for sure. All right. Till next time.